Mabuhay! It's Melanie. If you're new here, welcome and happy Valentine's Day. So this episode is very special because it's Love Month. And today is the Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's everyone. Special with my mother in the Philippines, my mother-in-law, my family back home, and everyone. Stay in love. So for today's video, I will be opening my Valentine's present for myself, but my husband paid for it. So basically, it's his gift for me. So let's get started. So it's opening time. Okay, I have my scissors. Okay. I don't want to ruin the box, so that I can upcycle it if ever I'm gonna need it. And I will be showing it to you one at a time. Just a disclaimer, this is not sponsored by Amazon. I am just really fan of online shopping, and especially Amazon. It's my #1 online shopping site that I use. So, and if you haven't seen my video of my best Amazon purchases, just click this. It will link here or in the description below. Ooh. Okay, this is what's inside. I'm going to remove it. First, what I got is complete makeup brushes kit. So as you all know, I do beauty videos too, and I really need a brush for when I do my eyeshadows, because it's really hard if you don't have the proper eyeshadow brushes. So now I'm excited to use them. This is my first one. Second is the brow comb and brush. So this one for the eyebrows, I really need one so that I will perfect these brows. I think it's getting there, right? This is silicone one. It's really affordable. I will link the price down the description below. And it says gently clean and exfoliate. Another one would be this Advanced Nail 96 Power Essence. This one will be the answer of my breakouts, acne and blackheads and whiteheads. So I will try it. I saw this in one of the YouTubers with Korean skincare routine. So this is included in their videos, and I said maybe it will work for me, because this is the one that I don't use ever since I started using skincare. So hopefully this one will help me have a healthy skin. So this is the essence. Next one, this one, I'm so excited to use this one, which is the Real Fresh Foam Green Tea. So this is my favorite. I love green tea. Even in drinks, even in any products, I love anything that is green tea. So Real Fresh Foam Green Tea. So everything will be linked down there. It has some like fresh green tea there, and this is foamy. So I've read about it, and the reviews are outstanding. Then last but not the least are Pillowcases. So soft. It's gonna help me prevent those acne, blackheads, dirty face, and it will make my hair healthy. So consider buying silk pillowcases and maybe add some bed sheet. Bed sheet. Sorry if that sounds really swear, but I'm not swearing. Yeah, look. Oh my gosh. So the quality looks really good. And there's another color. This is I've got 2 pairs so that I can rechange it when I needed to wash it properly. So there's instruction on how to do it properly before you use it, how to wash it. I've got an email with the seller of this one, so I will do what they say. And yeah, and this is the other color. I'll show you the other color. I just want to add about the pillowcases that I got. I got the idea from Shea Whitney. She reached 1 million. Congratulations to her. She's my #1 YouTuber. This one is the teal color. As you can see with my previous videos, our house colored teal. So this is our favorite color, my husband and I. So I decided to get teal because we have a similar bed sheet and comforter of this color. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you got some ideas of a Valentine's gift. Sometimes it's good to treat ourselves, right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the red button, the red or this way, and ring the bell for notification. Goodbye for now, and for my next video about beauty, and I have a very special guest that I will do her makeup transformation. So stay tuned. I love you guys. Bye. Happy Valentine. Mwah.